Russians are actually trapped in Bakhmut. Ukrainian troops have advanced more than 1 kilometer in several sections on the southern flank in the Bakhmut direction. On the northern flank, battles are ongoing. Positions have not changed. In Bakhmut city, the enemy is actually trapped. Our troops made it as difficult as possible for the enemy to move and made it impossible to get out. Deputy Minister of Defense of Ukraine Hanna Malia posted on Telegram. Shelling from both sides continues. In addition, the defense forces continue offensive operations in Melitopol and Berdyansk directions. Intense battles continue everywhere. Ukrainian defenders gain a foothold on the reached frontiers, take counter-battery fight measures. In addition, our defense forces are actually smashing the enemy's equipment and weapons there, destroying ammunition depots, striking the places where the Russian military is stationed compactly, thus significantly reducing the enemy's offensive and defense capabilities, the deputy minister added. According to Malia, some Russian units refuse to participate in the battles in the south due to significant manpower losses. The ratio of irreversible losses in the south is 1 to 5.3. That is, the enemy loses 5.3 times more service members in the south than our troops, she said. In the east, Malia added, the invaders continue to advance in Avdiivka, Marinka, Kupiansk, Lyman, and Svatov directions, unsuccessfully trying to break through the defense lines. Intense battles are going on everywhere without changes in positions.